values and sustainable food consumption. Food is one of the most essential consumer conditions for environmental and social impact around the world. Finns value universalism and want to protect nature. Finnish consumers value tradition and unity. Consumers are aware of environmental pollution, climate change, and the power of multinational companies. Food choices are an important part of the consumer's lifestyle. Sustainable consumption can be motivated by informing about the impacts of choices and by directing towards more sustainable choices. The food can evoke memories and emotion. Many social and individualization factors have an impact on the perception of sustainable food consumption. Today is imperative that producers and retailers provide consumers with more sustainable food and actively inform them. Consumers combine different values with food and seek enjoyment, health, comfort, emotional experience, familiar novelties, and ways to influence other food choices. The interest of Finnish consumers in sustainable produce food is gradually interesting, so the demand for local food produced has risen. Consumers want information that helps them get more enjoyment of food, avoid health risk, and feel the condition which food is produced and processed. Human values, knowledge and skills are the prerequisites for consumer behaviors and sustainable consumption. But habits, worthiness, and preferences can sometimes override sustainable values. Finnish consumers rely on Finnish products and are suspicious of fair trade production. Most of the food choices of Finnish consumer mainly affect the good taste of food, the healthiness and price of food.